because the people around me will be inspired by me. And I know that I have a very powerful story, and I know that I am inspiring people, I am empowering people, and I know that my story has made an impact not only on my life, but on so many people's lives. Thank you.
While we're on the topic of Chidimma Adetshina winning Miss Universe and her speech where she says she is empowering people and she knows that her story has made an impact not only on her life but on so many people's lives. Now let's talk about the impact her story has had since she was born 23 years ago on a South African woman whose identity was stolen by Chidimma Adetshina's mother, and this is not alleged. The Department of Home Affairs has confirmed this incident, and Chidimma Adetshina's mother stole a woman's identity. And when that woman tried to register first of all, collect her identity, her ID documents, she was not able to do so. She was told the documents were already picked up in Johannesburg, and an office where the original identity holder had never been to. Okay, that's the first impact. She's definitely right about that, that her story is very, very impactful. And then the second part of her story, of her life, that is very, very impactful is that when that woman tried to register her child 23 years ago, she was unable to do so because a baby had already been registered under that identity. And that baby is Chidimma Adetshina, who holds a South African passport due to the identity theft carried out by her mother. Now, did Chidimma Adetshina participate in the identity theft? Absolutely not. Did Chidimma Adetshina benefit from the identity theft business that the mother did? Yes, she did. She was able to live in South Africa, benefit from South African benefits, register for Miss South Africa, where all this drama started. Had she not registered for Miss South Africa, this story would have never gone out. And guess what? Department of Home Affairs would have never tried to fix their whole identity theft process in the Home Affairs offices. But you know what? That's behind the scenes. That's a separate video for another day. But Chidimma Adetshina then received a special invitation, okay, after she dropped out of Miss South Africa when she was within the top 10. She dropped out because, hello, there was a lot of noise on social media alleging that she was Nigerian and not South African, okay? And she dropped out and said it was for the safety of her family. Not a problem. Next thing, she gets an invite, special request from the Miss Universe Nigeria pageant, where she was exclusively invited. We haven't heard of anybody else receiving that invitation. She was invited, okay, and then she was flew out, okay, and she went over to the Nigeria. Now, if you see the other participants, other contestants, you kind of get to see that, okay, this is a business transaction. This is transactional. It's a win-win for both Chidimma Adetshina and also the owners and organizers of Miss Universe Nigeria. Hello. Why? Because now they get to send Chidimma Adetshina. Okay, she won. First of all, congratulations to Chidimma Adetshina. That cannot go without saying. Congratulations, the business transaction was successful. So now she moves forward to compete in Miss Universe. And you know what that means? It means she will face Miss South Africa in the Miss Universe pageant when? The 16th of November 2024. Where? Mexico City, Mexico. So she kind of gets what she wants. She got a throughway, or she took a shortcut, or she took a long cut. But at the end of the day, she is going. Now the question I ask you is Chidimma Adetshina loyal, or was this all about herself? It had nothing to do with South Africa because the second an Algerian opportunity was produced, she immediately jumped ship and left when the pot was still cooking, when the Department of Home Affairs was still trying to figure out her national identity and what is to happen to her. But that doesn't matter anymore. She has left South Africa, is now representing Nigeria. Of course, she's not coming back anytime soon because she's got to do the Miss Nigeria Universe fulfillments over there and all the campaign and media, this. November is around the corner. So she is one very, very busy girl. Now, what happens when she and Miss Leah when she and Miss Amia meet in Mexico, that is going to be the actual contest. So make sure that you're subscribed and we will keep you abreast on exactly what is going to happen over there in Mexico City. Um, Let me know in the comment section down below your thoughts on Chidimma Adetshina's automatic win. It goes without saying, there is no way that the organizers were just going to invite her so she can just come and, not win. This was, how do I put it? No other than Miss Tara. This was definitely orchestrated, allegedly, in my opinion, from myself, what I'm looking at right here. But let's go through a few of the comments, okay? Well, there we go. First comment says it was all planned. Feel sorry for those Nigerian ladies. Uh-huh. There we go. Another one. The master plan. They said, let's teach South Africa a lesson. Gandhi, we don't care. Another comment goes on to say, I love the way she doesn't look surprised. Congratulations to her. Another comment goes on to say, I feel sorry for the Nigerian ladies who actually entered. There we go. They actually entered, okay, and thought they had a chance. They really played in these girls' faces just to prove a point to us as if we care. She took the crown and is flying back to South Africa tomorrow, says another comment. I feel sorry for those true Nigerian girls. The next one goes on to say, they tried to break this girl in every way possible, but look at God. I wonder if the organizers of of Miss Universe Nigeria are gods. But let's keep reading. Next comment says, just goes to show Nigeria will always be corrupt. Listen, and that's not my comment, that's the comment over here. And that comment got 29 replies. So let me see what the responses are. This first one goes out to say, cry all you want. We voted for her. Second comment says, bro, those girls were giving their all, and you let a pity party rule you. Chidimma is not an enemy, but the criminal behavior of her parents in South Africa is the enemy. Okay, okay. Next comment says, also, it's not fair. The other girls needed it more than her. Mm, she just wanted it for clout. I personally think she should have waited to do it next year. I'm of that opinion as well. She should have waited for all the noise to end. But Chidima has a plan, okay? She has a master plan, and this is what she wanted. She needed that crown at all costs. She needed to go to Mexico this year, not next year. And guess what, ladies and gentlemen? She is going to Mexico City on Nigeria's dime. I wonder what the Nigerians who were backing her up have to say now that, the actual Nigerian contestants did not make it through. Another comment says, another door opens, this time a bigger door. She is going to win Miss Universe World. Watch God work. Ooh. Um, yeah. So that's it from me. It looks like the public opinion is very, very divided. A lot of sympathy for the real Nigerian contestants. And I believe there was a favorite who people wanted to win. And I believe her name was, trying to find her name, Nyeka. I think that's what her name was. She didn't win, unfortunately. She did not win. Well, that's the end of this video. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe as we keep you updated on everything South African worldwide. Thanks for watching. Catch you on my next upload.